Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making beef suya using my beef. So the first step is for me to wash it very well with clean water and salt. Okay, you need to make sure you wash it very well. And after that, I had to slim cut my beef. It should be a bit thin. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then the next one, these are the spices I'll be using. First one is suya pepper spice. Okay, you get a plate, add the quantity that will be enough inside the plate, followed by garlic powder. Okay, take the quantity that will be enough for you and add it to the mixture in the plate. Okay, the next one is to add my paprika powder, as you can see. Okay, then followed by my salt, as you can see in this video. Okay, the next one is to add my seasoning cubes. Add seasoning cubes. Okay, followed by homemade peanut butter. I made this peanut butter at home using peanut and blended it with olive oil and salt. So then the final one is to add my olive oil, or you can use any oil you like or you have. Then after, mix everything together to form a paste, because that is what I'll be using to marinate my beef. Even if you have chicken, you can also use it to marinate your chicken. If you have onion powder, you can as well also add it into the mixture. Okay, so as you can see, I had to mix it very well before I can now finally use it to marinate my beef. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the next one is to marinate my beef using the paste. So what I am using here is skewer sticks. So I had to stuff the meat inside the skewer stick. Meanwhile, after I marinated this beef, I had to leave it for like 2 hours. Okay, so make sure you leave it for like 2 to 3 hours so that the ingredients can enter the meat very well. So as you can see, this is the next thing to do. Stuff the meat into your skewer sticks. So as you can see, it is ready now and about to enter my oven. But first of all, I had to dip it into my suya spice. As you can see, just a little. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This suya, it was so tasty, it was so tasty. Though my kids said it was pepperish, so when making yours, be careful of the quantity of paprika or pepper that you'll be using, especially if your kids doesn't like pepper. So as you can see, it is ready, and now I'm about to enter into my bushy mix air fryer oven. Okay, so after that, I had to transfer it into my bushy mix oven so it can. Ta-da! Our suya is ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.